Welcome back to Swankey. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of our handy tools, which is not only keeping track of guests, but of keeping track of them from event to event. So we're going to start in Event Central and hop over to Guest Central on the left-hand side. And here you're going to see your overall guest list potentially for each event that you throw. You can see them listed by name, by relation, guest type, adult, child, and of course, very young child, who they are connected with, as well as the number of events they've been invited to and the number of events they have attended. These two columns are super important for those hosts who want to make sure that their guests and their relationships with them are as fresh and as vibrant as each event they throw. Not to worry, every time that you invite a guest to an event, these numbers will be automatically updated. So in the case of this first guest, Agatha Danbury, we know she's been invited to 2 events, but she hasn't attended either one of them. For the next event she'll be invited to, simply add her to the guest list, and if she decides to attend, when you mark her as yes, the number of events attended will change to 1, and the number of events invited to will change to 3. So there you have it, a simple, invaluable tool for hosts as they plan their events from one year to the next. So thanks for listening. Happy planning and happy hosting.